Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to bulk create pages with Elementor in WordPress using LPagery. My name is Jonas and I will be showing you how to do this today. First thing you gotta do is install the LPagery plugin. You do this by searching the WordPress repository and just look for LPagery and install it. LPagery lets you create pages with placeholders from a template page like this and turn it into this depending on the data you give LPagery with your CSV file or XLSX file. To create your pages, we need two things. We need a template page and we need a source file. To create the template page, you simply add a new page. I will call this test YouTube and add in a placeholder I can use later on, test YouTube, and just call it placeholder -1, and then I'll go ahead and save the draft and add it with Elementor. Now you can style and design this page like you would any other page you build. So as you can see, this is just the default layout. I can add in a heading and just type in your and use the placeholder service. You can use any placeholder you want. You decide later on which data is to be filled in on what placeholder. Your service in city, and this should be enough right now. So as I said, you can add in any images, anything you want. Just design your page like you would any other page. Just go ahead and save it. Now this is published. And now we'll go ahead and add a CSV file. To create a source file, I will be using Google Sheet. You can use Excel or OpenOffice or whatever fits you. The first row always is the header for the CSV file. In our case, this will equal to the placeholders we used earlier on our site. So, as I remember, we used placeholder -1, we used service, and we used city. So just for better visibility, I will be making this bold, and then I can type in the data I want here. Example 1, service will be, I'll take plumbing again, or using this one, and test city. So this will be one page, one generated page, but I want another one. I will example 2, service this time is window cleaning, and should be in test city suburb. All right, you can go ahead and fill in as many as you want, and just remember every row represents one page that will be generated later on. So now I'll go ahead and download this as CSV. Now I have this. I can go back to this is my page. I will leave Elementor. Go back to my WordPress dashboard. Open up LPagery. And now I'll select the templates page I just created. So test YouTube placeholder 1 is the title of the page I just created. All these features are enabled in the pro version of LPagery, which you can check out with the link in the description. You can see you can select the parent page, then you can customize your URI slug, and you can select categories and the page status, and also use some different kind of inputs. Now I'll go ahead and open up my CSV file. So you can see it's loaded in here, and I'll click on next. In this page, you will have an overview of all the pages that will be created. So as I said, this is the heading, and every row represents one page. Okay, so now I will go ahead and click generate pages. This will take some time depending on the structure of your site and how much content you have on it. I can click on go to the generate pages. This will take me to this page, and I will click open my 2 newly generated pages, and as you can see, all the placeholders get filled in accordingly, and you just created 2 pages. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and leave me any questions you have on LPagery in the comments. I will answer them as fast as possible, and I'll wish you a great day, and bye bye.